Starting a small shop business in Kenya is one of the easiest ways for ordinary people to enter the world of business. Many successful business owners began with a small shop that sold basic household products. Some started with very little money, while others used their savings or support from family members. A small shop can provide daily income, create employment, and eventually grow into a larger retail business. Many Kenyans visit shops every day to buy sugar, bread, milk, soap, cooking oil, rice, flour, snacks, and other household items. Because these products are used every day, the demand remains steady throughout the year. This makes the small shop business attractive to people who want a business that can generate regular cash flow. Before starting a shop, it is important to understand the local market. Every area has different needs. A shop located in a busy estate may sell large quantities of household goods, while a shop near a school may sell snacks, stationery, and drinks. Understanding what people need helps a business owner stock the right products and avoid unnecessary losses. The first step is choosing the right location. Location can determine whether a shop succeeds or fails. A shop near residential houses, bus stops, schools, apartment buildings, markets, or trading centers usually receives more customers. A business owner should spend time observing the area before renting a building. The number of people passing by, the number of existing shops, and the purchasing habits of residents are important factors. Rent costs differ depending on the town and the size of the premises. In some rural areas, rent may cost as little as 5,000 Kenya shillings per month. In busy urban areas, rent may range from 15,000 Kenya shillings to 50,000 Kenya shillings or more. It is advisable to choose a location that allows the business to cover rent comfortably even during slow months. The amount of money needed to start a small shop depends on the location and the size of the business. A very small neighborhood shop can begin with approximately 70,000 Kenya shillings to 150,000 Kenya shillings. This amount can cover rent deposit, shelves, business permits, stock, and signage. A larger mini-market may require several 100,000 Kenya shillings. After obtaining a shop space, the next step is arranging the interior. Shelves should be neat and easy for customers to access. Products should be displayed clearly. Frequently purchased items should be placed where customers can easily see them. Good organization improves customer experience and encourages more purchases. Registering the business is another important step. Business registration makes the shop appear professional and allows the owner to access certain services and opportunities. The owner may register a business name and obtain the required county licenses. Different counties charge different permit fees depending on the size and type of business. Stock selection is one of the most important decisions. Many successful shop owners begin with fast-moving products. These include maize flour, wheat flour, rice, sugar, cooking oil, salt, bread, milk, tea leaves, soap, toothpaste, detergents, and snacks. These products are purchased regularly by households and provide steady sales. It is important not to buy too much stock at the beginning. New business owners often make the mistake of purchasing products that move slowly. This ties up money and increases the risk of losses. Starting with essential products allows the owner to understand customer preferences before expanding the inventory. Finding reliable suppliers helps increase profits. Buying products from wholesalers usually provides lower prices than buying from retailers. Some business owners travel to wholesale markets, while others buy directly from distributors. Comparing prices from different suppliers helps increase profit margins. Profit in a small shop comes from selling products at a slightly higher price than the purchase price. Although the profit on one item may seem small, many sales throughout the day can produce significant income. For example, if a product earns a profit of 20 Kenya shillings and 50 customers purchase the product, the business earns 1,000 Kenya shillings from that item alone. Customer service plays a major role in the success of a shop. Customers prefer shops where they are treated respectfully and honestly. Greeting customers, answering questions politely, and maintaining cleanliness can encourage repeat business. A loyal customer often returns many times and may recommend the shop to friends and family. Opening and closing times also affect profitability. Many successful shops open early in the morning and close late in the evening. This allows them to serve customers going to work, returning from work, or shopping after school hours. Longer operating hours can increase daily sales. Keeping proper records is essential. Every business owner should record sales, expenses, stock purchases, and profits. Without records, it becomes difficult to know whether the business is making money. A simple notebook can be enough for a small business, while larger shops may use computer systems or mobile applications. Separating business money from personal money is extremely important. Many businesses fail because owners use shop money for personal expenses. Paying school fees, household bills, and other expenses directly from the business can create cash shortages and prevent the business from growing. Security should also be considered. Shop owners can reduce losses by installing strong doors, proper locks, and security lighting. Counting stock regularly helps identify missing items early. Some businesses also install cameras or hire security guards depending on the location. Mobile money has transformed retail businesses in Kenya. Many customers prefer paying through mobile payment services rather than carrying cash. Accepting mobile payments increases convenience and allows customers to purchase goods even when they do not have cash. Offering limited credit to trusted customers can sometimes increase sales. However, excessive credit can create financial problems. Some customers delay payment or fail to pay completely. A new shop owner should be very careful when giving goods on credit. Competition exists in nearly every business area. Instead of fearing competitors, a business owner should focus on providing better service, maintaining stock availability, and building strong relationships with customers. Shops that consistently satisfy customers often survive even in highly competitive areas. Economic changes may affect purchasing habits. During difficult economic periods, customers may buy smaller quantities or choose cheaper products. A smart shop owner adjusts stock levels and offers affordable alternatives that meet customer needs. Seasonal changes also influence sales. During school opening periods, certain products may sell faster. During festive seasons, demand for food products often increases. Understanding these patterns helps business owners prepare in advance. Marketing can help attract new customers. A clean signboard, good customer service, and recommendations from satisfied customers are powerful marketing tools. Some businesses also use social media platforms to inform customers about new products and promotions. As profits grow, the owner can gradually expand the business. Additional shelves, new product categories, refrigeration equipment, and larger premises can increase sales. Some successful shop owners eventually open additional branches in nearby areas. Patience is necessary when starting a shop business. Some businesses take several months to establish a loyal customer base. Consistency, discipline, and proper management usually lead to long-term success. Giving up too early can prevent the owner from enjoying future profits. One of the biggest mistakes made by new business owners is failing to study expenses. Rent, electricity, transport, licenses, and wages all affect profitability. Monitoring these costs helps maintain healthy profit margins. Training employees properly is important if the business grows. Honest and reliable workers help improve customer service and reduce losses. Clear responsibilities and regular supervision help maintain accountability. The retail industry continues to grow as urban populations increase and new residential areas develop. This creates opportunities for small business owners willing to provide essential products to their communities. Many successful Kenyan entrepreneurs began with very small businesses. Their growth came from discipline, proper planning, good customer service, and careful financial management. A small shop may seem modest at first, but over time it can become a valuable source of income and financial security. Starting a small shop business in Kenya does not require millions of shillings. What matters most is choosing the right location, stocking the right products, serving customers well, and managing money carefully. A well-run shop can support a family, create employment, and eventually grow into a larger enterprise. For anyone willing to work hard, learn continuously, and remain patient, a small shop business can become one of the most rewarding investments. Success may not come immediately, but with determination and proper management, the business can provide steady profits and long-term growth for many years.